In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export ClickUp to Excel. This is a super handy skill to master, especially if you're looking to manipulate data outside of the ClickUp environment, or if you need to share project updates with people who aren't using ClickUp. So let's dive right in. First, the obvious starting point is to head over to clickup.com. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Now, I know this part might seem straightforward, but it's essential to make sure you're using the correct credentials for the account that contains the data you wish to export. After successfully logging in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard. The next step is selecting the appropriate workspace. This is crucial because if you have access to multiple workspaces, you want to ensure you're pulling data from the right one. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the workspace interface and choose the one that houses the information you need to export. Once you've settled on your desired workspace, navigate to the list view. The list view is typically where you'll find a detailed breakdown of your tasks, making it the ideal format for exporting to Excel. This view provides a comprehensive layout of your task information, which can be crucial for maintaining context in your exported data. Now that you're in the list view, turn your attention to the top right corner of the screen, where you'll find the Export View option. Click on this option. This feature is what enables you to transfer your valuable data from ClickUp to an Excel file. Upon clicking Export View, you'll be presented with several options for file formats. Here, our focus is on exporting to a format that will seamlessly open with Excel, so go ahead and click on Excel. This format is optimal for spreadsheet operations, data sorting, and advanced calculations that Excel is known for. Finally, after clicking Excel, the last step is to click on Download. This will initiate the download of your data to your computer. Depending on your browser settings, the file should land in your default Downloads folder, or you might be prompted to choose a save location. Be sure to choose a convenient folder where you can easily find your file later on. And there you have it, folks, a straightforward method to export your ClickUp tasks to Excel. This export process opens up new avenues for data manipulation and reporting outside the confines of ClickUp. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, conducting a detailed analysis, or simply archiving data, exporting to Excel will greatly enhance your workflow. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and feel more empowered in managing your ClickUp data. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.